Start. Public speaking is an art, and like every other art, it has to be learnt both in practice and theory. Stop. For a man to say that he will never deliver a speech until he has learnt to speak is like saying that he will never go into the water until he has learned to swim. Stop. One cannot learn to swim without going into the water, and one can never learn to speak in public without speaking in public. Stop. In both cases, one has to learn by practice, and no amount of theory without practice will be of any avail. Stop. A speech should always be carefully prepared beforehand. Stop. Preparation includes collection, selection, and arrangement. Stop. First, collect materials for the speech: ideas, arguments, facts, illustrations bearing on the subject. Stop. Jot these down as they come to mind. Stop. Then select the most appropriate, rejecting the rest. Stop. Lastly, arrange the selected thoughts in an orderly and logical plan. Stop. Without all this, the speech will be badly arranged, rambling, disproportioned, and full of repetitions. Stop. At first, it is a good thing to write the speech out in full, for writing maketh an exact man. Stop. The written speech, however, should never be learnt by heart. Stop. Memorizing is a fatal mistake. Stop. It turns the speech into a mere recitation, and reciting is not nearly so effective as speaking direct to the audience. Stop. Then the reciter is bound hand and foot by his memorized words, whereas a speaker must be free to alter, omit, or add as he sees his audience requires it. Stop. Lastly, there is the danger of collapse. Stop. If the verbal memory fails and the next sentence is forgotten, the speaker is lost and he may break down in the middle of his speech. Stop. Let the points of the speech and the order in which they come be depth clear in the mind. The actual words will come as they are wanted. Stop. In public speaking, the management of the voice is very important. Stop. Some speakers speak too low and cannot be heard well in a large hall. Stop. Some shout and their voices are drowned by the echoes. Stop. Some talk so fast that they cannot be followed, and some speak so slowly as to tire their hearers' patience. Stop. The speaker should speak clearly for all to hear. Stop.